Zinga, what are you doing? Zinga, that's Graham's pillow. What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing in that pillow?
Got them in the hole.
We are going to celebrate. Yay.
Oh, what's happening here? Hey.
Oh my God. I think
The wind in the trees. Oh, paw to the face. Get him, Zoo. Get him. Get him. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hmm? Did your paws get wet? Hey, don't be sniffing there. But I'm a dog.
sit. Good job. Okay. Now paw. No, baby. Paw. Other paw. Boom. You get one. Paw. Boom. Paw. You're so fast. Okay. Now, no, Zulu. I know you see where the treats are. Sit. High five. High five. Good job. Okay, now we're gonna go down. No. Sit. Down. Good. Down. Good job. All right. See, guys? Sit. Sit. And ready. Ready. Up.
Like
Good
the way he
job.
hangs on. Get him.
You're whacking your sister. Go. Come on, guys. Oh, that was a nice spin, Julie. Go.
That right there is the International Space Station, visible here in South Florida tonight for 4 minutes as it goes over our heads. It's just a pinpoint of light. But to know that there are people on that thing and it's orbiting our planet right now.
You would think it's a shooting star or an airplane, but it's not.
It's going way too slow to be a shooting star and it's way too high to be an airplane. What else could it be? It's starting to speed up now as it comes by though.
Wow.
Yeah, it really appears to go fast as it comes by us.